Excuse me, could you help me for a moment?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the train station. Do you know where it is?
Yes, I know it. It's not too far from here.
Is it within walking distance?
Yeah, definitely. It should take about 10 minutes.
Great. Which way should I go?
Just go straight down this road.
Straight all the way?
For a few minutes, yes. Then you'll come to a traffic light.
Okay. What do I do when I get there?
Turn left at the traffic light.
Is there anything I should look for after that?
Yes. There's a big blue bank on the right-hand side.
A blue bank on the right. Got it.
Exactly. You should see it after a couple of minutes.
And then the station is nearby?
Yeah, it's just across the street from the bank.
Do I need to cross the road?
Yes, but use the pedestrian crossing. It's right there.
Is the crossing easy to spot?
Yeah, it's just before the corner.
Once I cross, will I see the station?
You'll see the entrance almost immediately.
What does the entrance look like?
There's a large train sign above it. You really can't miss it.
That makes things much easier.
Yeah, the station is easy to find from here.
Just to make sure I've got it right, I go straight, then turn left,
That's right.
then I look for the blue bank.
Exactly. It'll be on your right.
After the bank, I cross at the pedestrian crossing.
Yep, and the station will be directly across from you.
Sounds simple enough.
It is. You shouldn't have any trouble finding it.
What if I take a wrong turn?
If that happens, just check your map and ask someone nearby.
I hope I don't get lost. I'm already running a little late.
Then you'd better get going.
Do you think I should walk or take a taxi?
If you're in a hurry, I'd take a taxi. Walking will take around 10 minutes.
I think I'll walk. 10 minutes isn't too bad.
Yeah, and it's a nice walk from here.
Sorry, one more thing. Could you repeat the directions?
Sure, go straight, turn left at the traffic light, and look for the blue bank.
And the bank will be on my right?
Yes. Then cross the street at the pedestrian crossing.
Perfect. I think I've got it now.
Good. The station entrance is right across from the bank.
Thanks. You've been really helpful.
No problem. Happy to help.
I really appreciate it. I was completely lost when I got here.
Don't worry. It happens to everyone in a new city.
Well, I'd better get going.
Absolutely. Good luck finding the station.
Thanks again, Daniel. Have a great day.
You too, Sarah. Take care.
When you're in a new city, don't be afraid to ask for directions. Start with a polite, "Excuse me," and ask clearly where you want to go. If you don't understand, simply ask the person to repeat the directions. Also, listen for landmarks like banks, signs, traffic lights, and crossings. Practice these conversations out loud, and your confidence will improve. For more real-life English conversations, subscribe to Master English channel. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.